Today, this is Lego Build, the rare series that never happens. And today, I'm going to be showing you that thing. So, let's pull the strings on it and then smash it. Deconstructing. Okay, so I deconstructed it. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to have a big flat piece on the wheels. The, I don't know what to call it. Casino bike thing. And then you're going to put the, I don't know, like that. And then you're going to go into the sides. And you're going to place the small blocks on the sides here. And you get the bigger blocks, and you put them anywhere you want. Well, not basically anywhere you want. You can put these back here or in front of here, but they have to be in one of these slots. I prefer the back, actually, because I just think it looks cooler. I don't know why. And after you do that, make sure it moves. And then you put the steering wheel in. And then the back thing and storage box, I guess you could call it, in. And then you're done. But all you need now is some characters. Like this weird guy. Help me. But yeah, that's really the only reason I need you here. Oh, and there's one more thing. For this guy to work, you need his arms up in the air. Like he just does not care. And you put them back like this. And then there you go. There you go. There's your mini mobile. I will be doing the giant mobile next episode, but that's going to come in a month, so enjoy it while you can! Goodbye!